Doing impersonations can be a great party trick, but this dog is a natural with no training whatsoever. Justin and Katie Furley took their 8-year-old poodle mix, Baxter, on a trip to Vancouver. While there, they walked by this giant digital orca statue. They decided it might be fun to get Baxter to pose just like the statue, especially since he has similar coloring. Katie said, "Baxter jumps up on his hind legs pretty easily when he's excited, so my husband pretended to hold a treat above him to make him jump." So they implemented the plan for the perfect photo op. On our way out of town, we stopped by the orca statue. Thought it would be hilarious if we could make Baxter jump to look like it, since he's exactly the same colors. The photo was picture perfect, and the couple says that Baxter was rewarded with plenty of doggy treats after his perfect pose.